this is handheld, a little bit shaky, so I apologise for that. To show you the effect of the mill. So on this knife here, you can see that it cuts a clean hole through the steel. Now I haven't fully fastened these yet, so you can see there's a gap that I have to push this brass guard down into. So I do that by putting a pipe over the end of this. Pipe will rest on the brass, and put the blade in a vise and smack it with a hammer, and it should just push that down. It may need a little bit more hand filing just to make it fit, either the guard or the steel of the blade. This is annealed obviously, because I haven't finished it at all, but that's the plan. And then I will of course shape the guard a little bit more, get all the scratches out of it, reduce the end a little bit. The guard's really just there to stop your hand slipping onto the blade, although in reality it's just there because it kind of looks pretty. Anyway, so this is one of the ones I'm working on, one of the guards I've cut. I've cut another guard which is in the shop at the moment. For this one here, you can see where it goes, although it does stick up just a teeny bit here. This is another blank I just cut out last night. I quite like it. There'll be a guard going there. And I've got one other one, which is a double guard, for more of a fighter kind of Bowie style knife. I really quite like this shape. This one I'll probably keep personally. This one is similar shape. Now I'm playing with these two as well because I am getting full blocks of Mikada, possibly G10, because I've got some G10, or possibly I've got a piece of ebony on the way, and a piece of Juma as well. So I've got several different options. But yeah, made guards, made 4 guards at the moment. Got to shape the guards obviously, but yeah, I quite like the process. Yeah, just a different from the full tang stuff I've been doing. And then the kukri I'm working on, I'll probably make that reduced tang as well, and put a guard on that. Anyway, so that's the effect of the mill, and that's what I'm doing. Yeah, quite like this one. It's quite nice. Anyway, I've got a lot of work to do before I finish them, and I've also now glued up the handles for the Golic, and so probably this weekend I'll end up just measuring them, cutting them, getting them to shape, making a dry run so that they fit. It's almost finished polishing. It's up to 1200 grit, about to switch to the 1500 grit. It's looking pretty nice. Yeah. Anyway, off to work. Have a great day. Cheers.